Hey everybody, this is Tammy the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you some pullbacks that I see here in Disney. I do like Disney because it is a royal setup and it is above the 200, above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And I am just looking at this swing here, this most recent swing, and I am taking symmetrical projections from that swing. I'm looking at this one, this one, this one here, okay? And then taking some retracements also. So I have three setup zones for you here: 173.37 to 174, 171.44 to 172.13, and 169.27 to 169.83. If we were to break those zones, then I would tell you to go ahead and watch out because we are going to make a much deeper downside correction. But right now I do have these zones for you. We can look and see here if it has triggered on a 15-minute chart for a swing trade. Whoops. Wrong template there. Okay, that is the correct template, and yes, it has. It triggered right here where the blue crossed the red there on a 15-minute chart, so it is good for a swing trade. And here are your setup zones again. If this low is in place, your target is going to be 185.76, and the second target will be 188.76. All right, everybody, that's what I've got for you for now for Disney. I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to all you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.